Hello guys, welcome to Acer Technical Tips channel. So guys, today we are discuss about how to become a lawyer, step by step guide. So this is the important topic, how to become a lawyer. So before going to video, please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. And also if you have any question, please comment below. I will definitely answer your all question. So let's go to the video further and do. So guys, our topic is how to become a lawyer, step by step guide. This is the article I will show, usnews.com website. So aspiring buyer lawyer should take classes that involve exercise, reading and getting waiting so that they can become better readers and writers, since those are critical to most legal jobs, according to a law school professors. Entering the legal profession is no small task, so the choice to become a lawyer should not be made lightly. Experts say getting a license to practice law in the US generally require years of strenuous effort, and it may involve acquiring a significant amount of student loan debt in order to cover the cost of law school. A legal career often leads to a six-figure salary. The median annual comparison among lawyers in the US as of May 2019 was according to US Bureau of Labor Statistics. To learn learn about the legal jobs and careers. So someone competing a career as a lawyer should conduct research on the legal field to judge who would enjoy life as a lawyer. Attorney suggested one valuable resource is the Discover Law portal on the Law School Admission Council website, which include a lot of information about what it's like to be a lawyer and the combination with someone with a degree can make to secretly. This is the article show you. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. Tata, bye bye.